Hey fellow artists, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you love painting both outdoors and in the comfort of your home. But whether you're painting plein air or in your home studio, choosing the right easel and board can make all the difference in your art experience. Today I'm going to show you some simple and affordable easels and boards, whether you are painting outside in nature or working at home. So these are simple wood boards that can go from A6, A5, A4 to A3 depending on what size you want your boards to, and you can easily just put your paper, watercolor paper or whatever paper you like on top of it and attach it with some clips or some washi tape. Next, you can also use a clipboard. Just attach the piece of paper that you like to the clipboard and it's ready to use. Next, I have a palette that I transform into an easel just by gluing some magnetic tape so the watercolor palette can be secured. So yeah, it's attached there perfectly, and you can use either paper or just a sketchbook on this easel, and you can hold it with your hand because it has that hole in there. It fits in your hand. It's really easy to use, and you can also attach the little water container on it and the paper towel, also towel that you want with a clip. You can attach the sketchbook too. It's up to you. We have the final one, the piece that we made with a PVC board, and you can attach your watercolors there and put your water container, your towel, your sketchbook or your little board with paper. You can put whatever you want on it. So I hope you enjoy all of these tips on boards and easels. Really easy and cheap to do. Let me know which one of these easels or boards is your favorite to use, or do you use any of them? Let me know. And if you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.